rain is falling, don't look so sad about it. I know it hurts a little, you wanna scream and shout. I got the remedy, just let the rhythm take you over and over, over and over. I know you're down, let me pick you up. I know you're strong, I know you're tough. You wanna sit, you need to move. Let me show you how to do it, feel the music. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, make some noise. Please welcome Pablo. Everybody clap your hands for Pablo. Come on!
Much about it, just keep your head in the sky. Now don't it feel good to say, hey, hey, clap when you're happy, clap when you're sad, clap when your day is good, or when it's going bad. Don't think too much about it, just keep your head in the sky. Now don't it feel good to say, hey, hey, I got a new solution to all of this confusion. You'll feel so glad you made it. Don't make it complicated. This is a brand new day. Just let the music take you over and over, over and over. I know you're down. Let me pick you up. I know you're strong. I know you're tough. You wanna sit. You need to move. Let me show you how to do it. Feel the music. Hey, you got it.
Healthy lang kayo ni ate. Palagi, kayo magkasakit. And, makinig kayo kay mami. Sa akin na rin.
Now don't it feel good to say?
Ang wish ko kay Pablo, sana lumaki kayo ni Ate Gab. Sana lumaki kayo ni Ate Gab ng laging safe tsaka healthy and mabait sa amin ni Daddy, Gabriel. Paglaki nyo, yung pag-aaral nyo, gagayad namin kayo ni Daddy. Ako mag-guide. Thank you so much, anak, for coming into our life. I love you. Love ka namin ni Daddy tsaka ni Ate Gab.
Hey, now I really don't know how it's all gonna go. If it's good or bad, I'ma stay up for sure. Hey, 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 you gotta clap.
Ayun, thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta. Yung mga nanggaling pa sa malalayo, thank you so much. Na-appreciate po namin yung time nyo. And sa mga supplier po, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much po. Nagbigay kayo ng time for Pablo. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin, lalo na yung time nyo, yung gifts nyo. Thank you so much. Huwag kayong mag-alala, paglaki ni Pablo, maalala na to.
Clap when you're sad.